Is your software tool reporting the Crystal Reports ADO plus DLL is missing? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the library gap and have the professional fix ready. To start the walkthrough for Crystal Reports ADO plus, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This DLL file is an ADO.NET database driver library for Crystal Reports. It provides the connection logic needed for Crystal Reports to access and retrieve data from .NET-based data sources for professional document generation. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. The Crystal Reports ADO plus DLL is part of the proprietary SAP Crystal Reports application package. A full, clean reinstall of the latest official version of SAP Crystal Reports will repair any missing or damaged components that are causing the launch failure. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A simple restart can resolve file in use errors that mimic a missing the Crystal Reports ADO plus message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Most individual downloads of the Crystal Reports ADO plus DLL are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. Review system security and background process optimization concepts using the maintenance kit linked below for the Crystal Reports ADO plus. To support our technical team and receive updates on the latest the Crystal Reports ADO plus resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.